Player. I've got you all right where I want you. Soon you'll come back with me to my lab, where each of you will receive a little re-education.
We'll never let you win!
Oh, but I already have. You were their only hope, and you failed.
What was that about their only hope?
They're just here to pick on us again.
Not this time. We're here to save the day.
Fight! Get away from me, stupid pests!
Plan B!
Finish him!